Our the highest expense that we have is fuel, and then you got repairs, YouTube. I mean, that's facts. Company drivers ain't got nothing to worry about except for downtime, but when you're an owner operator, got your own authority, whatever the excuse is, repairs, boy. As soon as you get in that shop, the mechanics start doing what my boy Andrew called a Birdman hand rub, right? Because they see nothing but dollar signs. That thing don't stay closed. I don't know what else to do. I've tried. Oh, oh, y'all heard the money. Hey, y'all see that? Y'all see them? Yeah, that's the money. That right there's the money. That is the money. YouTube, that is the money. Oh, yeah. That is the money, YouTube. YouTube, what is going on, man? What is going on? What is going on? Before we start this video, let me show you a little something, man. See, the devil always trying my gangster, right? Y'all already know everything brand new on the trailer, all the tires. Tell me, what are those? What are those, YouTube? I mean, they ain't too bad, man. I don't think it's too deep, but what are those, YouTube? Damn it, boy. The devil trying to try my gangster. I need to check the seals, but just a little, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Nothing, you know what I mean? Just a little wet, you did, all of them, a little wet situation. But these, I don't know where that come from, but I can make a guess. I think about 2 days ago, I was busting a U something. I think as I was turning on that curve, I think something hook on it, man. Like I said, I'm hoping it ain't too deep to where, damn, boy, man, it's in there. Damn, boy. Damn. I wonder if the duct tape will hold that together. Damn it, boy. See what I'm saying? The devil always trying you. Right when you're trying to get to the money, the devil always trying you. Other than that, man, everything else is gravy. The $8,000 trailer still out here doing what $60,000, $70,000 trailers are doing. Which is getting to the money. In case you're wondering, what are $60,000, $70,000 trailers doing? They're getting to the money. Yeah, oh no. They are getting to the money. So is the $8,000 trailer. Let me tell you why. No. Hey, man. It is colder than the grandmas out here, boy. Oh, yeah. Colder than grandmas out here. So we got to get... It ain't even hot no more. I ain't gonna lie. I got to grab it this morning. I usually don't drink coffee, but I grab it this morning just so I can touch it. Feel the heat. We're out here at the pickup. I mean, I know you heard the money out here bouncing and whatnot. I'm gonna tell y'all why I wanted to make this video. It's simple. My baby right here. I want to make this video as a Genesis appreciation video, YouTube. Genesis appreciation video. Yeah. As a Genesis appreciation video. You're like, what do you mean, Hamilton Genesis? Listen. We're gonna take it back now. We're going back. We're going back. Yeah. So we're gonna take it back. Let me take a moment and let me get y'all a little something, right? Every now and then, YouTube, you know, in this business of trucking, you make money and you go, boom. The highest expense that we have is fuel, and then you got repairs, YouTube. I mean, that's facts. Company drivers ain't got nothing to worry about except for downtime, but when you're an owner operator, got your own authority, whatever the excuse is, you know, repairs, boy. As soon as you get in that shop, the mechanics start doing what my boy Andrew called a Birdman hand rub, right? Because they see nothing but dollar signs. And that is a fact. But let me tell y'all something. For those who has been following me, you know I went to the secret shop. I went to the specialist. What was it? Sometime last year, right? Like, it was either 2020 or 2021. I went to the specialist. First of all, I got an engine adjustment. Let's not forget that we got an engine adjustment. And the specialist, the secret shop, did what the secret shop do best. The specialist did specialist. Damn, boy. The specialist did specialist related things. Right? And ever since, YouTube, I can honestly say I haven't had one problem with this truck. Yes, sir. Ooh. Not one mechanical problem with this truck. If you were with me 2019, 2020, 2021, look, I want to say thank y'all, man, because a lot of y'all have stuck around with growing numbers, obviously. We're over 10,000 strong now, and I appreciate y'all, but guys, listen. 2020, 2021, for the kid was a struggle. Man, listen. Every 2 weeks I was in the shop. Every 2 weeks I was... Yeah, no, I don't have to tell y'all, but ever since I went to the specialist, he did specialist-related things. Engine adjustment, and we removed the cancer. Ain't nothing happened ever since, YouTube. If I'm lying, I'm down, and I don't want to die. So I'm just proud of, I just want to let y'all know right now that I listen, YouTube. I'm proud of my baby, man. She holding it down, and y'all already know. You already know we going state to state, coast to coast, seeing whose brokers loads pay the most, YouTube. I don't have to tell you. Listen, y'all, this ain't about me, man. This about my baby. My baby out here putting in 4,000 or 5,000 miles a week. If I'm lying, I'm dying, y'all. If I'm lying, All right. You know, we got to stop jinxing. We ain't dying, boy. I ain't lying, okay? She putting in 4,000 or 5,000 miles a week. No problem. The engine dry and crispy, boy. Like KFC chicken. I'm telling you. She been holding me down, exploring this whole country with me. Now, what I also wanted to say was, imagine YouTube. You see, y'all know I keep it raw. I keep it real. Imagine if I was getting the rates that I used to get back in the day, man, to haul this thing. Just imagine that, YouTube. Not just me. If we were getting the rates that we used to get hauling this load, you know what I'm saying? $3, $4, $5. I've done go over a year without doing no major repair. Man, I'm gonna tell you, y'all already know from recent video, the only problem I've been having is the damn coolant, y'all. I got it. Hold on, let me show you. Where is it? Where is it? I got it spliced, but it back at it again, right there. That's me being honest with y'all, man. Right there, they got a little drip going on or whatever. That's literally it. That's it. That's it. That's the only problem I've been having. Is the coolant, which is non-mechanical related, guys. So I'm happy. I thank God, and I'm the man upstairs, man, is holding it down. I tell you all this to tell you this, YouTube. I'm not saying y'all are in a position to do like me. Genesis is paid for. The trailer is paid for. But before she was even paid for, that's when I went to the specialist and removed the cancer. Now, for some of y'all who got the latest and greatest bells and whistles, I'm gonna ask you a question. Honestly, tell me, what are you in the shop for the most whenever you go in the shop? Are you in the shop for mechanical issue, or do you go to the shop for what I call the cancer-related issues? I want you to think about that, YouTube, because once I remove the cancer, smooth sailing over a year. I haven't had to put a penny. Damn, boy. He wilding in here. Once I removed the cancer, YouTube, once the cancer was removed, I haven't had it done repair for a year. If the money was good, I'd be well off. But, you know, to keep it real, we all know, anybody, any owner operator, and definitely anybody with the authority know, unless you're running local, you got a sweet deal like some of us, but most of us ain't got, is 50% of your income right now going to fuel. That's facts. That ain't no lie. Anyways, YouTube, you know what the deal is. The baddest man in the land. Oh, mama. There goes that man. YouTube, my videos are real. My videos are raw. My videos are authentic. You can't talk trucking without putting Chasing Mr. Hamilton in a YouTube. I'm out.